All right, the first state that actually has a welcome to sign. We're here in Idaho now. It shows backwards but on this, but it's right. Up?
Yeah.
What, like this?
No, pick it up but tilt it. So you can see that the Idaho there.
Okay. There's a Burley. Alright, we're reaching our charging spot. Good thing we charged a lot. It was super windy. You can see, oops, sorry. Now it's showing 6%, right? It was saying 15% before. Alright, we're here. There's a Walmart across the street. I'm gonna go get some washer fluid for the car. Oh, what is happening with that guy's car? Oh no. That's not good. Anyways, let's see how fast are we charging. Let's charge to 100% this time. Turn that on. Is it gonna go up to like 250? If we charge all the way, it should take about an hour and 15 minutes. Or an hour and 10 minutes, so we'll see. But it's gonna say how far to just get to the next charging spot. So there's a Cybertruck. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I put this bag here over the rice cooker. so that the steam could go through. Is it on? Uh-oh.
No, it's not on.
It's not cooking.
You're not turning it.
Okay, so as you can see, the bag is working. The steam is all coming through here. But since we're standing here, we can just open it and leave it. So that way we don't get all the liquid runoff here onto my stuff down there. Yep. Alright, so since my dad wanted to cook that rice and we got shrimp and broccoli, we ended up charging to 100%. And I removed the other charge stops, so now we're going to go straight all the way to Boise, Idaho, capital. And then there's a charging station right close to it, okay? So now, if we look at this, we'll get to that with 41%, and we'll get there with 39, depending how we drive, obviously. Alright, so we'll see you guys when we start to eat, I guess. Alright, rather than straining the battery, I'm just going to unplug it right now. It's already saying calculating. That means it's at the last bit of trying to charge. So let's pull this. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. There you go. I don't know why sometimes it takes so long for it to wake up. Oh, the rice cooker just finished. It's saying keep warm now, so we gotta wait a little bit longer, and then we'll eat. Alright, in order to get, hopefully, an Idaho magnet, we're gonna have to go backwards. Hopefully this Love's travel stop is like one of those big gas stations, and we can go ahead and find another magnet there. Let's zoom in. It's a pretty big building, so I hope they have it. Alright, so it's probably gonna be like Jow or something, but
no,
we'll see. Looks okay. Alright. Okay. Yeah. So I got this. Oh, bottom's all burnt up. The bottom's burnt. Yeah. Alright, okay, let's give it a try. The rice cooked well. I'm gonna try the shrimp. And yes, I eat the shell. Broccoli. Good. Alright, see you guys later. Here we're at their, what's that, electrical distribution or something? The grid, I don't know.
In 500 feet.
Okay, I got this one, Idaho, $6.35. So I need to try and find them at Love's. They're cheaper at Love's. Alright, don't go to Flying J. I think it's $1 more. And then if you go to that one thing, whatever that was way more expensive. It was like $7.50. Alright, there we go. We got them on there. Okay, I took out the whatever stickers, Classico stickers. things that say they're authentic, but yeah. Is this right? We're going in a construction bridge. Okay, it's right. I thought it was supposed to be closed or something and somebody took the barriers out. I'm like, we're gonna die now. Why do people do this? Like, pass at less than 1 mile an hour speed difference? Sometimes there's trucks that they take like more than a minute just to like go past each other. I feel like it should be a law that if another truck is trying to pass you, you should let go of the accelerator for a little bit or lower your speed by like 1 or 2 miles an hour and then go back up after that. It's too bad it's too dark. We can't really see what the landscape looks like. It seemed like there's some like small little plants growing everywhere and some trees here. Yeah, can't really see. What is going on over there? Is that a stadium? Welcome, Boise State University? This is a university building? What? Okay, so Boise, Idaho, they stay up late, it looks like. This town is everybody's active.
North Capitol
Pedestrians
Boulevard.
walking around just like in San Francisco. Is that the state? There it is. But it's blocked. What is going on there? Look at that. It's all blocked off. So much for visiting this state capital.
Now,
Oh, they got some art in here on these parking garage buildings. Big buildings. It's too bad I'm not going to be here in the daytime. We're going to be heading towards Oregon. They got some ramen place here. See, it's so alive, like San Francisco, even though it's like past 11 now. They want you to eat more nuts. City Peanuts shop. That building, they have a bunch of flowers on it. Random pillar thing. I'm not sure why, but the Capitol's all closed off. There's that building there. There's the Capitol. I'm gonna walk closer. You can see how they have all the bushes. So the building looks like they all have this similar design. Okay, so you can see the building. Is that a statue on the top? Sorry, I can't hold it steady and it's not that clear. But yeah. They blocked it all off. Look, there's fences all over here. I don't know why. Everything's blocked off. But okay, I guess that's the end of the Boise, Idaho tour. Oh, you can see the other side of this thing. I don't know what's going on over there, but it sounds like they're singing happy birthday. Everybody's like partying out here. Another old looking building, more people going around late at night. What are those goats and piggies and stuff? What is that building? What is this? Stargate
now
portal?
turn right
What's
onto
going
South
on here?
9th Street.
Zion's Bank. So lit up. There's a Stargate looking portal, but it's actually words. Huh. What is that?
Now turn right onto West Front Street.
There it is. What are those goats and piggies and stuff? What is that? Am I allowed to write on red here? Probably. Yeah, I don't know what all of that is. Interesting. I think it says July or something in red. Okay, so you see these lights? Let's see if it will do it. So right now, there's no cars. Let's see if it will do it with the turn. Usually it will all turn green. So right now it's not doing it. The left turn is red. But oh, you can see the one all the way over there. So the left turn light is flashing yellow, which is a yield. So pretty much if there's no cars, you can just turn. You don't have to wait there. I don't know why they don't do that with all the signals. Basically, instead of having one side red, one side green, one side can be green and the other can be flashing yellow, and then there's never a time where people are just sitting there because all the lights are red. So this charging place, I think this is like Sonic's, where the people come out in like roller skates or whatever.
Is on the right.
I think. I don't know, I haven't eaten at a Sonic's before, but I think that's what it was. Oh, you can see. Let's see. It's a flash. Combos. Yep, you can see all those. Where's their logos? It doesn't say. Pretty sure it's Sonic's.
Your
Doesn't
logo
say.
is on the door right there.
Oh yeah, Sonic. Yeah, it's Sonic. Alright, so we're gonna charge up here at this Sonic's. This is, you can see the 250 kilowatt charger. There's another person here. And yeah, now we gotta plan our stop to Salem, Oregon. Okay, so I'll set up the easy planning way to show you how it would work if you were to just let the car do all the thinking for you. So we'll go here. Okay, oops, navigation. So we want to go to Oregon State Capitol here. We're going to go to the menu here, settings. I'm going to turn trip planner back on. Okay, we're going to close this. And you can see here, it tells you all these charging spots. It tells you charge here 25 minutes, charge here 40 minutes, charge here 25 minutes, charge here 20 minutes, and then we'll get there. But I think this kind of calculates as if you're driving at a kind of slower speed, not like 80 or so. So you might have to charge a little extra just to be safe.
Okay.
Usually when you see the next dot, just make sure it says like you get extra 20% and you should be perfectly fine even if you drive fast. The only one is if you're going up like some really steep mountain or something, but usually it will take all of that into account and tell you. So right now it says if we were to go there, we'd get there with negative 23%. So we need to charge 23 plus whatever. So we're at 29% right now. All right. And I'm gonna be sleeping through most of this. Just wake me up for the charging so I can record stuff. Or I don't know if there's something interesting that you can see at night, but oh yeah, how far is the border? The state line is very far away. So, oh wait, no, it's not too far. So it's here. We're going this way, and then we end up there. So maybe I should I put a little pin there just so you know kind of where to expect it?
How far?
Kind of close to the. So the line, the state capital or line is here. So if I put something there and add a route there, then it will kind of stop there, hopefully. Or at least you know that it's right next to this charger. So if anything you can charge, you can go around and then go look at the sign. Yeah.
How far is it from there?
That is, oh, I need to make it, okay, continue trip. That is about, where did it say go away? 52 miles from here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna upload the next videos. Okay, my dad's gonna drive the truck, so we'll see. There's no buttons. I mean, there's no stalks. It's all buttons on the steering wheel and on the screen, and there's no mirrors, so we'll see. Hopefully he's okay with it.